Hey there, is your Anker power bank not performing as expected with those pesky blinking lights but no charging? In this guide, I'll unravel the mystery and show you how to fix an Anker power bank blinking but not charging. These straightforward steps will help you get your power bank back to functioning like new so you can keep your devices powered up while you're on the go. Step 1. Check the connections and cables. First things first, inspect the obvious culprit. Unplug your Anker power bank and examine the USB and charging cables for any visible damage, such as fraying or bent connectors, which can hinder proper connection. Try using an alternative working cable to rule out any issues. If your cables are faulty, replacing them with genuine or high-quality alternatives can often solve the problem of blinking lights and no charging. Step 2. Test the power source. Your charging issue might be as simple as the power source you're using. Plug your Anker power bank into a different power outlet or USB port. Some chargers may not deliver the required power level to effectively charge your power bank. It's always best to use the original charger provided by Anker or a compatible charger that's capable of providing sufficient power. Step 3. Perform a reset. Sometimes a simple reset can do wonders. To reset your Anker power bank, unplug all cables and let the power bank sit untouched for a couple of minutes. This allows any temporary glitches in the system to reset. After waiting, plug it back in to see if the lights stop blinking and if it begins charging as it should. Step 4. Check the device for overheating. Overheating can often cause performance issues in electronic devices. Feel your Anker power bank to see if it's excessively warm. If it is overheated, allow it to cool down to room temperature by setting it in a cool environment. Using it under extreme temperatures, either too hot or too cold, can impact its charging ability. Step 5. Ensure the device isn't full. Sometimes a blinking power light isn't an error at all. It can signify that the power bank is fully charged. Verify this by connecting your power bank to a device to see if it transfers charge. If your device is charged normally, your power bank might simply have reached full capacity. Step 6. Update firmware if possible. Some Anker power banks can receive firmware updates to improve performance. Visit the Anker website or contact their support team to see if an update is available. Updating the firmware can fix bugs or glitches causing the blinking issue. Step 7. Contact customer support. If all else fails, it may be time to contact Anker's customer support. They may offer additional troubleshooting steps specific to your model or arrange for a repair or replacement if your power bank is still under warranty. Dealing with an Anker power bank that's blinking but not charging can be a hassle, but these steps should help resolve the issue. By checking cables, trying different power sources, resetting, and even updating firmware, you can get your power bank back to its prime condition. Remember, it's always a good idea to reach out to Anker support if you're still encountering issues. With these solutions, you'll be back on track, keeping your devices charged and ready for anything.